So you have studied object in 2 and 3 dimensions. Let's have a look at 3 of these objects, which is sphere, cones, and cylinder. So basically, as you can see, 3 of these objects, they have the curved surface, and for cylinder and cones, for both of these objects, they have flat surface on the horizontal plane. So let's look at the example. The diagram on the right shows a quarter of a right cylinder with a horizontal base PQRS. Both PSTU and PQRS are planes, and QRTU is a curved surface. So let's start with the first element. A plane is the flat surface of an object. There are 3 types of planes, namely horizontal plane, vertical plane, and inclined plane. Look at the example below. The diagram on the right shows a right prism with a horizontal plane ABCD. ABF and CDE are vertical planes. BCEF and ADEF are inclined planes. The lines FM and EN are perpendicular to the lines AB and CD respectively. The lines FM and EN are also known as the normal to the plane ABCD. So that's the first element, which is you need to know what the meaning of plane and how the type of plane. So for the second element that you need to remember is the normal to a plane is a straight line that is perpendicular or that forms a right angle to any line on the plane. So for the second element, you need to know what is a normal to a plane.
Example 1. The diagram on the right shows a cube. State the normal to the following planes. A. PQRS. There are 4 normal for PQRS, which is UP, VQ, WR, TS. Next, PSTU. The normal for PSTU is QP, RS, WT, VU. C. RSTW. The normal for RSTW is QR, PS, UT, VW. D. QRTU. There are only 2 normal for QRTU, which is PV, SW. Example 2. The diagram on the right shows a right prism with a rectangular base ABCD. M and N are the midpoints of AB and CD respectively. Given FG equal to EH equal to DN equal to NC equal to AM equal to MB, state the normal to the following planes. A. ABCD. The normal for ABCD is FA, GM, HN, and ED. B. ADEF. The normal for ADEF is BA, CD, GF, and HE.
So for the third element, orthogonal projection. So if you guys want to know more about the orthogonal projection, we can using the 2 elements that we have been learning just now. So from both of the elements, we can apply to know more and to understand more about what is the orthogonal projection are. So let's have a look at the diagram 1. In diagram 1, PQ is a straight line where point Q lies on the horizontal plane ABCD. PR is a normal line to the plane ABCD. The straight line RQ, which lies on the plane ABCD, is an orthogonal projection of the straight line PQ on the plane ABCD. So next, diagram 2. In diagram 2, the lines PR and QS are the normal to the plane ABCD. RS is an orthogonal projection of the straight line PQ on the plane ABCD. So from both of these diagrams, we can know what the meaning of orthogonal projection as well. So in general, the definition of orthogonal projection are images form on a plane when the projected line from an object is perpendicular to the. So let's look at the diagram 3 and diagram 4. As you can see, both of the diagram are the example of orthogonal projection of a 2-dimensional plane object. So in diagram 3, PQRS is projected on a vertical plane, and in diagram 4, we EFGH is projected on horizontal plane. So in diagram 3, we can know the object for the diagram 3 is PQRS, and the normal to the plane for the object are PA, QB, RC, and CD. And also the orthogonal projection on the plane for the object in diagram 3 is ABCD. It's also same as the diagram 4. The object for diagram 4 EFGH, and the normal to the plane for the diagram 4 ERFS, GT, and HU. And the last, the orthogonal projection on the plane for the diagram 4 RSTU. So for the next example, look at the diagram 5 and diagram 6. Both of the diagram are the orthogonal projection of three-dimensional object. So as you can see, in diagram 5, a cuboid is projected on a horizontal plane, and in diagram 6, a right prism with the surface BCHGKJ as a uniform cross-section is projected on a vertical plane. So as we can see in diagram 5, the object is cuboid, and the normal to the plane of the object PA, QB, RC, and SD. The orthogonal projection on the plane of the object ABCD. Let's look at the diagram 6. The object is right prism. The normal to the plane of the object AP, IU, LT, DQ, FS, and ER. And last but not least, the orthogonal projection on the plane for the diagram 6 PQRS, DU.
Question number 1. Each diagram below shows the object and its projection on a plane. Determine whether the projection is an orthogonal projection. The answer is yes or no. So for picture 1, the object is orthogonal projection. So the answer is yes, because this picture have a straight line of the object. So the picture number 2, the answer is no, because not orthogonal projection, because the object is not have a straight line 90 degree. So the question number 2, a student looks at the following object from a given viewing direction. Which of the following combination show the correct orthogonal projection? So the answer is correct or wrong. So the number 1, the object is correct orthogonal projection. And for the second picture is wrong, it's not orthogonal projection, because they have a circle. For the correct orthogonal projection, need have the 2D object.